Hello, my name is Nipun and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're shooting in my bathroom because I want to show you a step-by-step skincare routine. I'm sharing with you my AM skincare routine, which can be categorized as an AM routine for dry skin with anti-aging benefits. So let's get started. Before we get started, let me tell you one very important thing. In my AM skincare routine, or in general in the AM, I first brush my teeth and then I wash my face. Now you would say, why is this important? Boy, it's very important because about in the last few months, a year, a lot of influencers are saying that you don't need to wash your face in the morning with a cleanser. That is what they're saying. And before we start an AM skincare routine, let me tell you why you need to wash your face in the morning with a cleanser. After you brush your teeth, there's a fluoride that forms around our mouth that contains bacteria. So if you don't wash it off with a cleanser, chances are you can get acne. If you already have acne, it can get aggravated. And worse still, you can get dermatitis. So brush, then wash your face. The second reason why you should be washing your face in the morning is because when we sleep, there is a lot of bacteria, there is dirt on the pillow that comes from the general environment, it comes from our hair, all of that gets stuck to your face. So you need to wash it off. Also in the night, when you do your skincare routine, everything that your skin needs gets absorbed and what it doesn't need is on the surface. So you need to clean that off before you go and start layering in some more. Fourth point, I think, if you have acne, you definitely need to wash your face with a cleanser because acne is caused by bacteria in a lot of cases and washing your face with a cleanser is important. If you have extremely dry skin, if you don't use a lot of heavy products at night, you can for sure avoid a cleanser, but definitely wash your face with water. Ideally, you should be using a really gentle cream-based cleanser in the morning so it doesn't strip away from the natural oils of your skin but still gives you cleanliness. So that's my little hygiene 101. Now let's get started. Like I said that I like to wash my face in the morning with a gentle cleanser. The one I really like is the Aveeno Calm and Restore Oat Cleanser for sensitive dry skin. This is super gentle. It's almost like a cream product and it is really hydrating as well. It cleans your skin, doesn't strip it out. So that's what my first cleanse is in the morning. For the second step, I don't dry my face completely. My second step is toner. It's not really necessary, but I like using one because it hydrates my skin. It also helps the other products to absorb better. So I go in with a toner. This is the Rice Toner. It is by the brand I Am From. I take it directly on my palm and I just massage it in. I don't want any of this expensive product to get absorbed in a cotton pad. So directly onto my skin. As I mentioned at the beginning, my skin type is dry, so my third step is an essence. I use the Snail Mucin Essence by Cossa. It is the most beautiful product. It is supremely hydrating and it's quite affordable. For the next few moments, I just massage the product. I let it get absorbed into my face. I definitely like to cover my neck, my décolletage as much as possible. Now moving on to step number 4. Step number 4 for me is hyaluronic acid serum. I use the one from Skin Proud. This is like a jelly. It's 2% hyaluronic acid. I just put it on and then I massage it in. Always remember that any hyaluronic acid, any brand, will always go on damp skin, right? Because this is a humectant. What it does is it pulls the moisture from the surface it is applied on. So if you apply it on dry skin, it'll just make your skin super dry. So this always goes on damp skin and it is beautiful. Any hyaluronic acid serum would be beautiful if you have dry skin. Just after this step, my skin is like already glowing. Now we come on to the most important step. So whatever I did after the cleanser, if that's not something you need or that's not your jam or you don't have that kind of time, you don't have to do it. But definitely in the morning, as you know, I advise that you use a vitamin C serum. So what I have for you here that I am using is C Fresh. This is the vitamin C serum by Drunk Elephant. This is 15% L-ascorbic acid, So I just press it onto my skin first. I extend it obviously to my neck, and then I massage it in. The consistency of this product is a bit sticky. Okay, I'll warn you, it is a bit sticky, but it's not like it stays like that. It gets absorbed and then it's totally fine. So this is the most important part of my skincare routine, which is applying my vitamin C serum in the morning. Optional for some, critical for me, is the step where I apply my eye cream. You need very, very little. I'm applying this one. This is the SkinCeuticals Age Complex. It is an amazing, amazing product. I don't have very deep wrinkles, but I do have lines that form because of smiling. I smile a lot. Expression lines. So this kind of just helps that a lot. And I've been loving this product, been using it for like almost 2 months. So yeah, take it onto your lid as well, onto your brow bone, and just tap and let it blend. Okay, so we've got that going. This is it. Now at this point, I give it about a minute to 30 seconds. I let everything sit in before I go with the next step. My next step is a product which is a holy grail for me. It is my Gurla Watery Oil Serum. I'm on the second bottle. I will today go and get the third bottle. It's almost over. This is like a boon for my skin, and if you have dry skin, if you have skin that gets irritated, if you're using a lot of actives and your skin dries out, this is such an expensive product, but I literally feel it's worth every penny. And I use this before I apply my sunscreen or before I apply my moisturizer. Now, because my skin is dry, I usually need to apply a moisturizer and then a sunscreen. But it really depends on how my skin is feeling on a particular day. Like today, with all of this hydration, it feels fine. It doesn't feel like I will need any more boost of hydration, so I'm going to skip it. But there are days when even after doing all of this, I'm still dry, so I apply a moisturizer. But today, we'll skip the moisturizer and go directly onto the sunscreen. So as you can see, skin is glowing, it all looks good. Now I go with the most important step of my skincare routine, of any skincare routine, and that is 3 fingers full of my Cossa Alio Soothing Sunscreen. This is my most favorite sunscreen. I've tried so many of them because, I was just for a very long time just using sunscreen because nothing better was available and hating it. But this product has made me fall in love with sunscreens. I always have a backup, multiple tubes. It's available on Amazon pretty much everywhere in the world. And it is pretty affordable. So yeah, I slather that on. As you can see, it's blended super well. This is zero white cast. This has, it's non-irritating to the skin. It's really good for normal combination dry skin. Even people with oily skin can use it as long as you don't put a moisturizer before it. You see how beautifully this has blended in. So friends, this was my morning skincare routine. I know some people may find it a little excessive, but this is my routine. This is what works for me. Look at the glow. It's pretty awesome. And it's really up to you to customize your skincare routine based on your skin needs. You don't have to do all of this. You don't really have to use a toner if you don't want to. You don't really need to use an essence if you're not super dry. You can completely skip the hyaluronic acid or just use one serum. But this is my routine. This is what I wanted to share with you. I'm 36 years old. So for me, this is an anti-aging routine. And the reason that makes it kind of anti-aging in the morning is the presence of a vitamin C serum, which has L-ascorbic acid, which is the purest form of vitamin C, which boosts the production of collagen in our body. So yes, that's it. If you enjoyed this video, do like the video. If you enjoy this content, consider subscribing or do neither. I am just so happy you're watching me today. Have a great one.